Interpreting the technical specifications for the B506-7001. The timer's dimensions are 48 mm by 48 mm, 85 mm deep. This product weighs 100 grams. This timer operates on a repeat cycle. The front panel has a protection rating of IP65. This product has an 11-pin plug-in socket. The operational temperature range is 0 to 55 degrees Celsius. The mechanical service life is 10 million cycles at minimum load. The display is dual-line, 4-digit, 7-segment LED. The power consumption is less than 10 VA max at 240 VAC. This product is manufactured by Eagle Signal. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all timer sales and replacements.